Managing multiple warehouses has never been easier with Zoho Inventories' sleek multi-warehouse system that allows you to track and manage your inventory seamlessly across different locations. In this video, you will learn how to create and manage your warehouses in Zoho Inventory. First, you need to enable the multiple warehouse function in Zoho Inventory. Go to Settings and select Warehouses. This takes you to the page where you can enable multiple warehousing. Click on the Enable Multiple Warehouse button and your organization will now support multiple warehouse management. Please note that by default your organization's name will be the first warehouse to be automatically created. Next, let us go through the process of creating a new warehouse. To do so, click on the New button and enter the details of your warehouse and hit Save. By default, the first warehouse which is available when you enable multiple warehousing feature will be set as the primary warehouse. To set another warehouse as the primary one, click on the gear icon of the desired warehouse card and choose to mark as primary. Confirm your selection in the pop-up that follows. The warehouse will now be marked as primary warehouse. To mark a warehouse as inactive, click on the gear icon of the desired warehouse card and choose to mark as inactive. The warehouse will now be marked as inactive and will not be available for future transactions. You can also mark an inactive warehouse as active by following the same process. To delete a warehouse, click on the gear icon of the desired warehouse card and choose to delete. Confirm your selection in the pop-up that follows. The warehouse will now be deleted. At the top right corner, you will be able to see the option to disable multiple warehouse. But please note that if your organization has more than one warehouse, it is necessary to delete all the warehouses first before disabling this feature. Once you enable multiple warehouses for your organization, you will be able to do warehouse-based operations throughout Zoho Inventory. This section of the video aims to give you an overview of the changes that take place after enabling multiple warehousing and how you can use them. After enabling multiple warehouse management, you will be able to store and track your items across multiple locations. The Items Overview page gives you a quick glance at the stock levels present at different locations for a particular item, along with the other details of the item. While doing stock adjustments, you will now be able to select the warehouse in which you adjust the stock. The same functionalities mentioned previously applies to composite items as well. But while bundling a composite item, you can select the warehouse within which you want to perform the action. The available quantity of the associated items displayed is equal to the current stock levels of those items within the chosen warehouse. Once you enable multiple warehouses for your organization, you will be able to import your sales orders, invoices, purchase orders, and bills based on location. This can be done by specifying the name of the warehouse against every transaction under the warehouse name field within the import file. While creating a new purchase order or bill, you can now select the preferred warehouse where you wish to have your purchase items delivered. While creating a sales order or an invoice, you can select the preferred warehouse from where you want your items shipped. It is also possible to select different warehouses for different line items in the sales order. For example, you can have item A shipped from your primary warehouse and item B shipped from your other warehouse. Click on the warehouse name below the item quantity field to change the warehouse from where it is shipped. You can apply the same steps in an invoice as well, but please note that an invoice created from a sales order cannot be edited. That's all for this video. Please contact support at zoho-inventory.com for any further assistance.